All right, let's do a cold start on the Jensen here. All right, pretty standard American car stuff. Set the choke and give it a pump.